Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone is on the latest iOS and has a stable network. Once connected, verify your Apple ID credentials and that two-factor authentication will accept codes. Now sign out of Messages briefly, open Settings, tap Messages, toggle iMessage off. Wait 10 seconds, then toggle it back on. This forces a refresh with Apple servers and often clears transient signed-out states. If prompted, enter your Apple ID and follow on-screen prompts to re-authenticate. Once done with the quick restart of iMessage, dive into Account and Network checks. Go to Settings and confirm the Apple ID is fully signed in and not showing alerts. Make sure date and time is set to automatic because mismatched time can block authentication. If sign-in still fails, reset network settings to clear corrupted connections. You'll rejoin Wi-Fi afterward. Also sign out of FaceTime if it shares the same Apple ID. Then sign back in to ensure a consistent device registration across Apple services. To complete the repair, restart your iPhone and test iMessage by sending a message to a contact. Look for blue bubbles and message delivery status. Make sure carrier settings are up to date. Check settings general about and accept any updates. If issues persist, sign out of your Apple ID completely, reboot the device, then sign back in and re-enable iMessage. One key troubleshooting tip: if you still see signed-out errors, check Apple's system status for iMessage and wait. Service outages can prevent authentication even when
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.